This is a very important campaign that the Prince of Wales set in motion about a year ago to try and save the British wool industry and help it to prosper. The extraordinary thing is at the moment that we are increasingly using synthetics for our clothes and for our carpets, everything except wool. And yet, wool has all the most amazing modern buzzwords of sustainability, of biodegradability in landfill. It's a natural fibre. It's been going in this country since the year 1400. How mad we would be to turn our back against wool. And so the Prince of Wales has brought together a coalition, I think one would say, of all kinds of interested parties to do with wool, to see what can be done to help wool. So all the wool boards, the Wool Board of Britain, the Wool Board of Australia, the Wool Board of New Zealand, people in the fashion industry, people in the press, people in the carpet world, are all working together to try and give wool a boost. We've just had a great wool week in London in October, where over 2,000 shops across Britain did special things about wool. Windows for the department stores, big posters in the windows of carpet shops all over the country with the special messages of the campaign. Everything to promote wool. And the lovely thing is that it's actually going very well. It's started to pick up speed. We've had great reaction to it, an enormous amount of publicity, and people thinking again about wool and thinking, yes, wool lasts longer, wool is natural. That's what we're trying to achieve. And over the next 5 years, the campaign for wool is going to be fighting the good fight.
The great thing is that following this very successful wool week in October, when a certain number of sheep were let loose in Savile Row, next year the campaign will move into more valuable international markets, including Japan, Korea, the United States of America, Italy, Germany, Scandinavia, Spain, New Zealand and Australia. So I was so keen to come to Bradford to make this particular announcement, as of course Bradford is the home of the wool industry.
My name is Martin Curtis. I'm Joint Managing Director, along with my brother Simon Curtis, in the business Curtis Wool Direct Limited. Our business owns Howarth Scouring and Howarth Combing Companies, where we are today. We're very, very honoured by the visit of His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales to the facility here, which has the capacity to scour 1 million kilos of wool each and every week. The laboratory we have here tests our effluent. We're an environmentally friendly organisation, and the campaign for wool, of which Prince Charles is patron, has been an absolute marvellous event as far as we're concerned. It's raised the focus of British wool and other wools from around the world, and it's given us confidence to invest more money into the business, into the future of this industry. And His Royal Highness will announce today the new investment we've made in a new combing and carding plant that's going to be situated down here at our warehouse in Bradford. The Prince will be shown around the facility with the Enco laboratory, and then he'll be shown the wool scouring process, which is where we wash wool. We take away all the dirt and the grease out of the wool. We recycle all those products. We have a very good market worldwide for the wool grease, and the dirt goes onto the land for fertiliser. He'll then see the wool being dried and machined after washing, and we also have a combing plant here, similar to the one that we are investing in and doubling the capacity of with our new investment.